Good day, everyone. Today we're going to discuss all about invertebrates. So let's get going. First, let us define the word invertebrates. When we say invertebrates, these are the simple animals that do not have backbones. Invertebrates can be classified into sponges, cnidarians, flatworms, roundworms, segment worms, mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. First, when we say arthropods, at tinatawag din silang joint-legged animals. Arthropods, they have segmented bodies and tough exoskeleton with jointed appendages. Those animals are the examples. Here are the characteristics and features of arthropods. The first one, segmentation. They should have head, thorax, and abdomen. Number two, exoskeleton. It provides framework for the animals. Number three, jointed appendages. This part can be used for feeding, sensing, walking, swimming, and mating. And number four, mandible. It can be used as their feeding habits and structure. As you can see on the first picture, the characteristic of arthropods can be seen. It should have head, thorax, and abdomen. On the second one, the exoskeleton, that what we said a while ago, it provides framework for the animals. Next, arthropods also have jointed appendages. And last one, arthropods have mandible that it can be used for feeding. Classification of arthropods can be insects, arachnids, crustaceans, centipedes, and millipedes. Number two classification of invertebrates are the mollusks, soft-bodied animals. Mollusks often have a hard outer shell to protect their bodies. All mollusks have a thin layer of tissue called a mantle which covers their internal organs. Such examples of mollusks are the squid, snails, and clams. Number three, echinoderms, or they are the spiny skin animals. These are the animals that live in marine water and they are characterized by a hard, spiny covering or skin. Starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sand dollar, sea cucumber, crinoid, sea urchin are some examples of echinoderms. Number four, sponges, or also called the core-bearing animals, and they are the members of the phylum Porifera. They are called sponges because they have the presence of pores in their bodies. They do not have organ systems or any other sophisticated body parts. All sponges are aquatic, and sponges may vary in shape. Marine sponges also may vary in color. Sponges have many types of skeletons. Number five, cnidarians are also called the stinging cell animals. Cnidarians are capable of stinging through a cellular structure which is referred to as the nematocyst. It includes the corals, hydras, jellyfishes, and sea anemone. Number six, we have the platyhelminthes. It is also known as flatworm. They have thin and flat bodies. Most flatworms are parasites living in the body of a variety of animals, but some are freely living in marine, freshwater, or moist plant habitats. Next, We have nematodes, or also known as roundworms. It can be seen in the human body. Number 8, we have the annelids. The phylum Annelida obtained its name from the Latin word annulus, which means little ring, because as you can see in their body, it looks like a lot of rings. Annelids are bilaterally symmetrical, having two openings as well as complete digestive system. I have here different animals and you have to tell what kind of invertebrates they are. Just for example, on the first picture, what is that? Very good. That is an example of a sponge. How about the next? What classification of invertebrates they are? It is a mollusk. Next, what is your answer? Very good. Echinoderms. Next. Good job. They are arthropods. Next. Nice one. They are Nigerians. Last. Good job. Sponge again. For you to be able to know if you truly understand your lesson for today, will you please get a piece of paper and also a ball pen and try to answer this? All you have to do is to group the following animals based on their classification. You may pause this video, answer this activity, and after that, I will show you the answer. Here are the answer. Under arthropods, we have mosquito and butterfly. Mollusks, we have snails and squid. Echinoderms, we have starfish and sea urchins. Under sponges, we have demo sponge and yellow tube sponge. And under Nigerians, we have jellyfish and hydra. I hope that you learned something about invertebrates. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.